Hello everyone, we're outside this afternoon with Miss Muffy in our front yard. Hi Miss Muffy! And it's a really nice day. It's sunny and a little bit breezy. Beautiful day for a little calico cat to be outside prowling around. And I'm not sure what she's smelling right now, but it's really getting her a little bit excited. What is it, Miss Muffy? Her little nose is just a-going. You can really see her peachy cheeks when the sun hits them right there. No, she might roll. What is it, Miss Muffy? What do you smell? Oh, what a beautiful day. We're outside working on our front step. Hi, Miss Muff. There she is, coming in for a pet. When she comes outside, it just takes the years off of her. Makes her feel so good. Oop, there. There. I gotta get up. All right, let's go over here and have a little peek at what's going on. We're working away. We've got a nice sunny day for painting. And our white rhododendrons are all in blossom here. Really pretty. There's bees everywhere. Yes, and in behind, I'm working away at painting these spindles. I think I've got them about halfway done with the white. And we've got the steps painted there. Yeah, so that's what we're working at today. And we're outside with Miss Muffy. Her favorite thing to do in the whole wide world. Coming outdoors, right, Miss Muffy? Ooh, what's that sound? Got Daddy over there sanding. That's what that is. Here, you want to go for a walk? Go for a little walk. So happy to have another spring and summer with Miss Muffy. Well, my goodness, she's going to turn 27 years old in August. She's gonna be, oh my, wow. She's still enjoying her little kitty life with us here. It's hard to believe it's been that long. She was here when my grown children were just little. Every time they come to visit, they still can't believe she's still here. Here she is. Oh. Pretty little cat. She is quite small, too. Aren't you, Miss Muffy? But only in stature, not in personality. Nope. She's a very smart little kitty, aren't ya? Yeah, let's get up off the ground. Oh, I must take you over and show you our pink rhododendrons over here. They are huge. I think it's the biggest rhododendron bush in the subdivision. Yeah, it must be. It's way taller than me. I don't know how tall that is. It's big. Let's go in for a close-up. We might see some honeybees. No, I don't see any, but I'm sure there's some in there. Really pretty. There's our little apple tree. I pruned this tree last August, I think. So I'm really curious to see what happens this year as far as apples. I see some beautiful little buds right there. And I guess where there are blossoms, there are going to be apples. Yeah, I think they're Macintosh. They've got a kind of a thin skin. They're a nice apple. We have a lot of apples here in Canada. Where we live especially, we grow apples everywhere. Yes, so, oh, there's Miss Muffy. Getting into her spot there in the corner. She likes to lay out here and sleep while Cat Daddy's working. Yeah, careful up there, Cat Daddy. Oh, there's Miss Muffy. Let's go in and see her. So you can see we had to replace a bunch of duck boards. They were all rotten. So not anymore. And then we'll have to sand this all down and stain it. There she is. One of her little favorite sleeping spots out here. She likes to sleep on the other step too. Here. Have a good sleep, Miss Muffy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.